Hey everyone! If you've ever found yourself designing late at night or just prefer a sleek, darker workspace, then this quick tutorial is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Canva, both on desktop and mobile, so you can give your eyes a little break while keeping your creativity flowing. Let's start with the desktop version. First, open Canva and make sure you're logged in. Now, look for your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. Once you're in the Settings panel, go to the Accessibility tab on the left. Here, you'll find an option called Theme. By default, it's usually set to Light. Just click the drop-down and select Dark. Instantly, your entire Canva interface will switch to a smooth, dark background. It's not only easier on your eyes, but it also makes colors and designs pop more vividly on your screen. Now, for those using the Canva mobile app, the process is just as simple. Open the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner, then go to Settings. Under Settings, tap on Accessibility. You'll see the same theme option. Just switch it from light to dark and you're done, and that's it. Whether you're designing on your computer or your phone, enabling dark mode on Canva takes less than a minute. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in comfort and focus, especially if you work long hours or love late night designing sessions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stick around for more quick and practical design tips like this. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in dark mode.